Say hello.
Huh? Why boo?
Aiden,
Does it cut off?
go run away.
No, why?
Do it. I didn't get him the last time. Go do it.
He keeps grabbing my finger. I can't get up without him letting go with my finger.
Don't talk like that.
So who sings that Bottoms Up song?
Trey Songz. Trey Songz.
Okay. Now go do it for him.
You like her
So
song?
he likes when you do it.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Even you like her song?
Come back, Aiden.
What's it called?
Bottoms up.
That's what it would be, but it's not here. Maybe why is it not here?
I don't know. He's waiting for you.
Try Trey Songz.
It says-
He keeps laughing.
Why do you keep saying boo?
Watch me. Here.
Yeah, I'll have a better phone in the next couple of weeks, though. Isn't that right, baby?
Camden. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I'm already messed
Bye-bye.
This one's been messed up since I'm
Bye-bye.
How much money you got?
Hey, goo-goo gaga.
No.
Goo-goo gaga.
going to LA.
Goo-goo gaga.
LA.
Look at him.
Loser Avenue. Yeah.
What are you doing?
Say bye-bye.
Can I go to your house?